Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TOPTS Tailoring Studio. In today's episode, I'm making a tour of the station where our station, our workshop is going to be. As you can look closely, camera person, move with me. This is the startup of everything, and soon I will be bringing you the final outcome of this workshop. And it costed me quite some good money to make this standard, as you can look, but it's complete as it is. So when you come inside, look around here, there is some gap which is missing that needs to be finished in a very beautiful way. Actually, this is the ground where we are going to do the modeling from, and what was delaying me was power. I picked it from the other pole up to the house, as you see. Look on brown now, as you can see. This is the ground. As I see, it's really nice. It's nice. This is the ground. Just that, let me take you inside the mini studio where I've packed the machines that will be operating this place. So let me move with the camera person, then we see. Come on with it. This is Nakazi. This is Princess. As you see, the setup of this place, this building here, it's going to be this one is going to be a continuation that will join this. So this will be the workshop place specifically. Then this one will be the runway, this empty place. This will be the runway where my models will be doing their modeling from. And actually, it's going to be massive, just that it's just a matter of time. So, but you may be asking yourself, which type of machines is always TOPTS CEO talks about. Let me go with you into the mini supermarket, the mini studio, and see which type of machines do I have inside the place. So, come and we go. So now, you see, this is one of the machines I have. It's Brother Button Holler. It's one of the beautiful, nice and supporting machines at TOPTS Tailoring Studio. It's not a lie. Sit one. Let me play and see how it works. So guys, I hope you can see this machine. It's really nice, and it's perfect. If you have it, it costs a lot of money. And that's how it operates. Just see, just a matter of, here you lift the pedal, then you insert. Be careful when you're doing the lift. You be careful because it has a knife here. This knife is very sharp, it can cut you and you lose your hand. So this is how it operates. Then after you lifting it, then you insert a cloth inside like this. Then after you dry, you give me a free material which is a swatch. Give me a swatch. So you lift it up like this, then you put your cloth, then you dry. I hope you see. It does the cutting and the sewing together. I repeat. You see? This is one of the beautiful button holler machines. You see what it has done? It even does work and even cuts. So I switch it off. I declare it known. So now we come here also. We have this straight machine which had some mechanical problem. I thank the team that gave me spare parts from Kampala.
You opened that.
I managed to repair it and it has worked. It's now operating. I know by tomorrow it will be working very well. So guys, still in my mini studio. This is not a workshop. It's just a collecting place where I've just collected my machines ready to be shipped outside. So as you can see, still I have two machines. This is the overlocking machine. It does overlock work. You tailoring, fashion designers and tailors, I know you know the importance of this one. Then this is a flat lock, strictly for stretchy fabrics, spandex, jerseys. So it's good. So you who has a dream of making t-shirts or just sports clothing, this is a machine for you. If you get this and this, you are ready to go, because this one does the overlocking, then this one does the flat locking, and you're good to go to in sewing stretchy fabric. Let us test even this one and see how it operates. So it all are electrically operated machines except this and this. These two are manually operated, but this one and this one and this one and this one, they are, but you've got a chance of seeing her. So let us test even this one. Ojiwulira switching eri off. Ojiwulira. So you leave it after you setting it. You first leave it for the engine to run. If it's like driving a vehicle, when you enter in a vehicle, you don't start driving there and then. You first leave the engine to catch up. So already the engine is catching up. So here is the pedal that helps me to drive. So when I start, it's ready to do what? It's ready to do what? No stepping forward. This is it. And this is a Jackie company. This is a Jackie company. And then this is my baby lock. You know how it does work. Then this girl here, by the way, she's good. She's a good girl. She's my daughter. She's crying. She has been denied the ice cream. Bamunya ice cream. You know, Bamuita di joy. Akwese face ye na ye muja kumulaba ngenda kumuja ko mutwe. Mulabe face ye. I think the baby will come in. Because I've made it in English. In Uganda. There is another one. This is Jackie.
Yes, I am here.
She's this one.
Talk to them. Hey, good morning, everybody. This is
TOPTS Tailoring Studio.
TOPTS Tailoring Studio. Here they teach everything what you want. There is types of steppering machine. Bye bye.
Sewing machines. Yes, that is my TOPTS. Actually, I will be mentoring her. She will be presenting for you. Jacob, what you?
I love